Most plants wait for nutrients to come to them. This one hunts. Meet the Venus flytrap, one of the world's most famous carnivorous plants. Inside each trap are tiny trigger hairs. If an insect touches them twice within seconds, the trap snaps shut in a fraction of a second. The plant then seals the trap and digests its prey over several days, absorbing valuable nutrients that are scarce in its swampy habitat. A plant that turned the tables on insects, proving that not all predators have teeth or claws.